How to create or register your Chase Bank account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily create your account on your Chase Bank application or website. So first thing what you want to do is simply head over to any of your browser and search in for Chase Bank login. So once you're inside here, simply select this sign in option over here from the first website. You will see an option to either open an account from over here, or you can also say sign up using this button over here if you are not enrolled. So simply click on this button over here and you will be heading over to this screen where you will have to select the type of the account you want to create, whether it's commercial or business or personal. So simply select the one you would like and simply enter your account or card number or application number from over here, and you just have to enter your social security number as well. And once you enter your social security number, you'll have to create a username to access your accounts online, and you'll have to create your password letter by following all this order written over here, which is the character of your password length, which is 8 to 32 characters and must contain at least one letter and one number, and one special character must not contain one special characters. So you have to follow all of these rules to create your password. And once you do that, you will have to click on this next button over here. And once you do that, you will be asked to enter your login credentials. And when you enter this next button over here, you will have to enter your login credentials once again and simply enter your username and password. You can also use your token from over here and simply click on sign in, and then you will have successfully created your Chase banking account successfully. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.